Time for 7 First Alert weather.
It was a September to remember, going down in the record books as the second warmest September on record. 2022, you can see second to 2011. And the average temperature for the month of September should be really in the mid 60s. And again, that average temperature is all the lows and all the highs, all averaged up into one nice little package. So we were about 5 degrees above that, which is really significant. No surprise here that it went down as number 2, the number 2 warmest. And it looks like the month ahead of us, October, also favored to be an above average month as far as temperatures are concerned. At least a 40% chance, if not a 50% chance of above average temperatures as we look at the month of October as a whole. Here's what we typically expect for October, starting with highs in the low to mid 70s, wrapping up the month with high temperatures in the 50s, and our lows eventually falling closer to getting a couple of frosts and a couple of freezes. Typically, we'd see our first average 32 degrees, frost or freeze, somewhere around the middle of October. And average precipitation for the month of October, hopefully we can do a little better there in that category than we did this month. We only picked up about 1/4 of an inch of precipitation throughout the entire month of September. It was a dry one for us and a hot one indeed, with those triple-digit temperatures to start the month with. That's well behind us now, and we're getting some crisp, cool mornings. 43 degrees to start the day in Boise today. In fact, the coolest that it's been in Boise since the middle of June, when it was 42 degrees, and below average start for the day today as well. And wrapping up with temperatures pretty close to average for the 1st of October in the low to mid 70s, generally speaking, for the Treasure Valley, 60s for our mountain locations. Now, this is the storm system that swept through the region, and it is bringing us some average temperatures, seasonable temperatures. It's also keeping some showers and thunderstorms into the central part of the state and, of course, the eastern part of the state, but leaving southwest Idaho mainly with just a little bit of cloud cover. Eventually, though, it becomes a story about high pressure again, so giving us a lot of sunshine and eventually a warming trend into next week. Weather timeline through the overnight hours, not quite as cool as it was earlier this morning, but still expecting to fall back off into the mid 40s through most of the Treasure Valley, and wrapping up a couple of degrees warmer tomorrow than where we were today. So low 70s for highs in the Magic Valley, low to mid 60s in the Central Mountains, West Central Mountains. A beautiful day for our mountain valleys, upper 60s, mostly sunny skies, lots of sunshine for the lower Treasure Valley, nearing 80 degrees for Ontario and Weiser, 75, 76 for my forecast high for the Boise area, and the mountains looking beautiful throughout this week ahead. What did I tell you? As you take a look at the 7-day forecast, I'd say I'd take this pretty much over any other week throughout the entire year, especially considering the triple-digit temperatures that we endured so many times throughout the last summer and the beginning of September. 7-day forecast keeping our high temperatures in the 70s and close to 80 degrees throughout the week ahead. Light wind, dry conditions, lots of sunshine. We'll be right back after a quick break.